não sei se isso tá mostrando muito bom. Ela tá aí. Ela não dá pra ver a cabeça, eu sei disso, mas é. Tentar. Eu tô indo nessa direção mesmo, então. Oi! Lá é o bezerro. Vou tirar meu celular pra fazer o zoom. Sim, tá o vídeo do bezerro. Vamos ver se eu posso pegar a mãe. Oh, uau! Uau! Isso é a mãe. Uau! Uau, uau, uau. Olha, ela sabe exatamente onde eu estou. Eu não quero problema com vocês, eu só quero passar. Uau! Fy fan vilken känsla. É isso que eu amo. É isso que eu amo. Jag vill inte ha problem med er två alls. Hoppas det syns på kameran. Lillen, mamman. Jag vet inte. Men ja. Det är ofta så här man möter dem. De är så stora så man får lite respekt. Det är bättre. Jag vet inte, jag mötte en stor tjur i början av sommaren. Det var nästan så. Man känner sig mindre nervös. Jag hoppas det syns att de står där. Och där är den andra. Jag vill inte ha bråk. Oj. Ja, där är ni. Jag ser er. Jag ska hitåt. Jag vill inte till er. Oh shit. Oh shit. Det är en mamma med 2 kalvar. Titta. Wow. Det är en dubbel. Det är en dubbel. Kommer jag en kamera fort. Kolla här. Det här är mamman. Jättestor. En kalv. Och den andra kalven. Det är 2 kalvar. Wow. Wow. Jag ska försöka. Jag måste hålla ett respektfullt avstånd. Alltså. Det är alltid knas när de har kalvar. Hon har 2 kalvar. Wow. Okej. Tur att man har mobil och inte bara GoPro. Jag tror inte jag hade kunnat. Ska gå runt. Jag vill ha mer avstånd. Står de kvar? Ja, de står kvar där borta. Mamman, nej, nu ser man båda kalvarna. Kolla hit, det här måste jag fixa alltså. Två kalvar, mamman är där bakom. Tvillingar, det är ovanligt. É muito raro que eles sejam gêmeos. Isso é muito sorte para ver. A cabeça dela ela é imensa. A costa dela está na altura da minha cabeça. Wow, que sorte. Que sorte. Wow, isso vai. Oh, det är så värt att vara ute. Det är så värt att vara ute. Jag ska försöka komma bättre till. Nu har jag ett avstånd så att jag tror inte att hon känner sig hotad. Men ja, ni kan se nu bak. Där, nu tittar de hit. Det här måste jag få på film. Där ser ni mamma älg. Kolla kalven bredvid. Om man tittar så där så blir man ju lite fylld av respekt. Får jag en till magisk scen. Mamma älg med 2 kalvar. Jag vet inte vad GoPron visar, men de är där. Ja, nu går vi ifrån dem. Jag hoppas ingen tycker att jag störde dem för mycket, det vill jag inte. Jag blir bara så glad och knäpp när jag ser dem, så att det är alltid... hon är vacker alltså. Vilken duktig mamma, 2 stycken. Vilken mamma alltså. Wow. Pommes frites. Det är därför de älskar det här stället. Det är därför de älskar det här stället. Det här är... Jag vet fan om jag ska våga. Ursäkta, var försiktiga. Det är en älg med 2 kalvar rätt framför er till höger. Jag filmade den, men ja, bara så ni vet. Varsågod. Nej. Jag tänker inte plumsa i myren igen. Det här området är så mycket älg alltså. Yeah, if you're wondering what kind of habitat moose like, it's this, you know. It's sort of a clearing, you know, it's boggy, you know, it's, if you walk there you need Gore-Tex shoes. I have that, but you know, I don't know really how deep I'm gonna sink. Probably not very deep here. But yeah, and then you have forest all around. So, yeah. But that was lucky, you know. It's I've seen moose with calves many times, but that was the first time I actually saw twins. So that's really nice. Back to my wanderings. Right now I'm heading for a freshwater spring to refill my bottles with pure water from the mountain without fluorides. So yeah, I don't even know if fluorides are bad, but I think, you know, tradition holds that this spring cures ailments and such. So yeah, I'm interested in that. I'm not currently suffering from any ailment, but you know, like an insurance policy. But that's really nice. The big things I want to see when I go out are moose. That's the big one. And the second here is lynx. And I would be ecstatic to see a wolf. Let's see if we're gonna go off trail. Just gonna send no, that wasn't it. Wait, okay, so I'm actually heading, yeah, I'll follow the pattern. Great. I've been here a few times before, but I came in from a different direction, so I've actually never been in this specific place. I took a long way around to get here, so yeah. Well, it's funny, I've seen lynx 3 times, but I've probably been very close to them a lot of times because, you know, one could be sitting 10 meters in, 5 meters, you know, and I wouldn't see it. They're really, you know, well camouflaged, and the fact that they're ambush predators is, you know, they don't make a lot of sound. And they tend to sit still unless you really startle them. But yeah, I'm blown away by how beautiful it is here. So I hope you're enjoying this video, And we are actually very close to Stockholm. So, you know, yeah, we have some really nice national parks and nature reserves. This is a nature reserve, very close to the city. And I think that's, you know, super important for well-being. This is a lake, and I can see some people are enjoying it on the other side. So yeah, it's a small lake, you can swim over there. And the spring is that way. So that's where we're going. Oh yeah, peaceful lake. And there's a mountain up there on the other side that I'm gonna explore maybe on the way back. Let's see. I'm also, after I've refilled my bottles, the plan is to pick some mushroom if I find them today. I found loads and loads of mushrooms, but not the kind I wanted. So I'm gonna give it another shot. Yeah, there you can see the mountain. Nice viewpoint, you know. I have my binoculars. Would be fun to sit up there and scout for moose. Wow. Here you can definitely do some off-trail, but we're gonna see. I think the paths here are so, you know, inconspicuous. They really don't take much away from the experience. But then again, I am committed to a straight line. So let's see. I'm there and I'm heading here. So, not there, but here. Yeah, let's do it. Also, if you are sort of new to this or new to Sweden or new to Northern Europe, it's good to know to wear long pants, because even if it's hot today, the weather is perfect. The big problem here is ticks. They do carry some nasty diseases that you definitely don't want. And there are also snakes. One poisonous. Oh, thought I heard something. I'm a bit skittish, you know. I don't know. I have 3 times very recently where I sort of walked up on moose, and we have spooked each other. They go one way, I back up the other, but it's still a bit scary because you never know, basically. Okay, here's a big path. Huh. I wonder what's up there. Should be cool. Yeah, could take the path, or we can take the ridge. I like taking the ridges. The view is better, you get more sun. Also, for some reason, I tend to spot owls when I'm up there. One thing to keep in mind when you go up these places, always sort of be ready to move quick, because wasps, they like making their homes in places like this. Oh man. Yeah, I want to climb that. Ah, spillkråka. This is an oak, small one, probably due to where it grows, but yeah, that's a big oak. Yeah, it was definitely worth it.